We have to admit that Stripe documentation and its APIs and its official YouTube videos are a little bit tricky to understand in the first go. In the past 1 year, I have tremendously worked with Stripe, APIs, webhooks, checkout, Stripe band, these things. And I know Stripe can, in some places, it can be a nightmare because for UK, US, and UAE, for different countries, it has different requirements, such as legal requirements, like small things can really mess up the entire thing. And I know how tricky sometimes it can be. So in this playlist, we are gonna be starting with absolutely creating a fresh new Stripe account. Then we're gonna work with Stripe checkout. Then we're gonna set up our Stripe Connect. Yeah, from absolute scratch. Then we're gonna understand Stripe APIs documentation. Then we're gonna absolutely deep dive into API level of how Stripe Connect works, how the user verification works, how we can hit the APIs from our Node.js or maybe Next.js, or how we can hit the APIs from our Postman, or maybe do a curl request. So we're gonna like see Stripe from different perspectives so that we can have a brain where we can confidently work with Stripe. And then we're gonna deep dive a little bit, not much, a little bit, how we can integrate Stripe with our Android application or maybe iOS, like React Native. And then we're gonna, oh, most importantly, we're gonna work with Stripe Web. That, oh, we have a lot of code in internet how to integrate Stripe webhook with Node.js or maybe other language. But when it comes to Next.js, like if your backend is purely entirely on Next.js, how you're gonna receive that? And most importantly, when you have to use ngrok, and how the local server and the production server behave differently. We're gonna deep dive into all of these things and learn everything from scratch and step by step. I'm Ajmin, and let's go ahead and finish Stripe confidently from absolute scratch till to that point where we can receive the payments.